can't do that seriously. Like. Well folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. Today it is 1 week from the start of the new Proride season, which means it's time to get the EC300 ready for its first race. Unfortunately, at the last practice day at Dunmore, put a dent in the front pipe, so we're going to drop that off to fill it air, get him to blow it out, and then we're going to take a trip down to Blackwater Graphics, pick up a new team wear, drop off some jerseys to get printed, and then we're going to go back and do some work on the bike itself. So yesterday I went up to HTM, picked up myself a new set of S3 low and back foot pegs and a new Nitromousse front mousse. So the mousses in this bike were from my old bike, and the front's a bit worn, so it wasn't really holding as well as it should have. It was a bit washy in corners, so hopefully the new mousse will make a big difference there. But yeah, that's really it. The bike has been great so far. Done a practice day at Tinker Hill, I've done one at Dunmore. I'll actually do the Dunmore footage in after this here, just so you can see how I get on. The first round is at Robinson's, which is one of my favourite venues. I actually really enjoy racing at Robinson's, so looking forward to trying this out in the sand. And yeah, that's it. So let's go, let's do it.
Morning, morning. Well, Kyle, what have you got for me? That's sexy. I like that. Yeah, these are the heat transfers for the t-shirts and the hoodies, all the sponsors' logos. So yeah, big thank you to Blackwater Graphics for the team wear. Looking good, looking factory. Got to start riding factory now, which we all know is very far from the truth, but yeah, look good, feel good, very good, right? So yeah, Blackwater have done me hoodies, t-shirts, got the snapbacks with the GASGAS on the side and the 112 in the front. I've also got some beanies and yeah, also a dry robe as well, so big thank you to the guys for that there. That's us from here. I'm gonna go home now, finish off working on the bike, get the rest of those parts installed. But I'm gonna leave you with the footage from Dunmore from last weekend. So, second test of the bike, somewhere a bit different. You know, the first time we tried at Tinker Hill, which was quite fast and flowy. Dunmore was quite tight and technical, a bit more slippy in the grass, and just a bit more of a different challenge. So, it's good to get the bike out in some different scenarios. Unfortunately, I dented the pipe, but yeah, I'll leave you that there. I'll see you in the next one.